So after cleansing milk, of course, you can advise them to do the toner or have the toner. It's alcohol free. It actually cleanse, tones, and refresh, as well as hydrate their skin. And it actually normalize the pH balance of our skin once you use this kind of toner. That's why that's why the name is balancing toner. So every time we wash our face, actually it lowers our pH, skin pH balance, and that's the reason why we actually need the toner. It normalizes our pH. Okay. It also helps us inhibit unwanted pigmentation and gives you a luminous, even skin tone because it also has lilac stem cell and sea daffodil ingredients. So it's also non-comedogenic, so it's safe. It cannot clog any pores, and it's also safe for lactating and pregnant women. And after, if they have dry skin, they can actually apply it directly on their face, or they can transfer this toner into a sprayer bottle so that they can spray all over their face, most especially if they have dry skin. But if they do have oily skin, it is advisable to do or to use cotton balls or cotton pads so that they can actually wipe off some excess sebum on their skin. It can really help their skin. So some of the key ingredients, apart from sea daffodil and lilac stem cell, it also has aloe leaf. It actually provides healing and anti-inflammatory effect. And witch hazel, which is a natural astringent that helps reduce inflammation on their skin, most especially if they do have breakouts or their skin is more on the acne-prone skin. Okay.